Hello, Mike Lawrence here. Welcome to my video series on building a solid body 3-string electric guitar. This is part 5 and the final video of that series. The guitar is all put together, it's all finished, it's all done. And it did take a while. But anyway, here we go. Let's take a look at it. All right, here it is. All done. I think it turned out pretty good. And I'm going to go over some of the features I'll try to go over all the features here as quick as I can, which I've mentioned them in past videos, but just in case you didn't watch those. The body is made from northern ash. And I have to be careful how I say that word. It's not from swamp ash like a lot of people make the guitars. The swamp ash is used because it's light. It's kind of porous, but the northern ash is a harder wood. It's denser, and it makes a brighter sound if you believe in tone wood. But we got the ash body. We've got a Padauk fretboard on an oak neck. And the pickups are Wilkinson M Series Alnico 5 pickups. And they sound pretty good. I've got 2 volumes and a tone and a 3-way switch. Mother of pearl fret dots. I have locking tuners, and they are 18-to-1 ratio, which is really good. And we have a hardtail bridge, string through. I'll take some close-ups of the back here in a minute. But I've got walnut volume surround here, walnut around the 3-way switch. And of course it's got switchcraft output jack. We've got Bourne's potentiometers inside of it, and a orange drop capacitor for tone. All right, now to get some close-ups of the guitar, starting at the back. You can see we've got the switchcraft output jack. We've got a notice the finish, transparent. You can see the grain. I like it. And as we go on up, we've got the tone, 2 volumes, hardtail bridge, P90 soap bar type pickups, Wilkinson. And then we've got 24 frets, 3-way switch. We've got 25.5 string scale. "24 frets, 0 fret." My Rockcliffe Guitars logo. And on the headstock, we've got some walnut stripes. Okay, look at the back. You can see the birch burst collar. You can see the string through ferrules. And down inside, we've got component cover and a cover for the 3-way switch, bolt-on neck with 4 screws, oak neck. We've got the locking tuners. Now we'll go right on back down. And you can see the strap button. And there she is. So all that's left to do now is a little sound sample, so we'll do that now. There's your sound sample. All right. That's it for part 5. That concludes this series on building a solid body, 3-string, cutaway electric guitar. I thank you for watching. There'll be more videos to come in the future. Please click like if you like the video and consider subscribing. Take care, be safe, and goodbye.